If you've got this style of Volvo key fob, here's how to replace the batteries. So first you'll need some rather expensive CR2430 batteries, and it's 2 batteries per fob. Remove the key blade, I'm sliding this tab across, and in the same place slide the tab across and insert a small screwdriver, approximately 3mm, and pry the casing up. Now you'll see the battery here, but it's just hiding another battery underneath with a plastic partition. And one of the batteries needs to be negative down and the other one negative up. So you can see the difference. Positive facing up for the first battery, plastic separation, positive pointing down on the second battery, and then replace the casing. Same again for the second fob. All done.